Look at that big boy.
Does it come from that way?
Look at this big boy, dude.
Does the tornado come from that way or that way? Right? Come back, Mom.
Look at that big boy, guys. Oh my God.
Yeah, Ray's gonna have to.
What's gonna happen?
Look how fast it's rolling, Jaden.
Are we gonna die? Oh
That's
no.
gonna smash in with them clouds going that way.
Wait, so Ray's gonna get hurt? No! Ray! You better watch out because it's gonna smash you! Look at that kid, gotta get across.
They're going the clouds are going two different ways, so they're gonna smash into each other. You have this big line that's heading this way.
Look, it's spinning! It's spinning!
got one can, so I'm sorry. I didn't tell the money I had.
It's spinning!
I had it, it's just you.
Flippin' spinning!
Don't worry about it.
It's spinning!
Try to cross boundaries when I do stuff like that, or like when I got kids or something.
Oh gosh, it's spinning.
No, you're fine.
Hey, I'm gonna grab this stuff and I'm gonna get out of your guys' hair.
Go.
Why?
That like rolled in fast. That's clever.
I'm
Smart, I
still
gotta
gonna
see.
record this.
I don't want to go in.
I'm still
Well, you're gonna
recording.
have to.
Why?
Say thank you to Ray.
Thank you.
Candace, I'll see these guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
See you, Ciela. Let me get my
Ray,
phone.
be careful.
Yeah.
No, don't leave.
I'm out of here. I gotta beat this storm. Take care, guys.
This went off too. You know the weather alarm?
Jaden, do me a favor. Walk in here. I just want to make sure I didn't leave anything.
The weather alarm went off too.
What the siren? What about the siren?
All right, Candace. I'll see you guys soon.
There's a flipping tornado coming.
See you, Gene.
Guys. Be careful.
I will, boy. Look.
Again.
Tell your dad I said what's up. Hello.
My dad better be home in 3 seconds.
No, Daddy has overtime.
Oh my God.
But what about the door? Smash into him, Mom.
God. No, you say. You're mean.
You're mean. You stupid guy.
my
You
God.
did not do anything. You just killed people.
Oh my
You
God.
killed people's lives. You don't know what you're doing.
Do you guys see this?
Go away, Cloud.
Look at
Go back
this
where you
stuff, dude.
Go back over there where you
Go
was.
over there.
Go back where you was.
Go over
Cloud.
there, dude.
It's going
over
to
there.
Ray's
Yeah, it's going over there.
To Ray's house.
It's close, but we're not getting.
Dad,